All right, got another local manufacturer for you. This one is Armor Unlimited here in Arizona. This is a quick disconnect plate carrier. We sell them carriers by themselves or the full setup for $360, and that includes 2 side plates, front and back, with the pads, and they are level 3 plus. These mag pouches that they come with hold 2 pistol and behind 2 AR magazines. Holds 2 extra ones here on the side. And here's the quick disconnect. In and out, pretty damn fast. By itself, we sell the carrier for $175. Sorry, $157. We have it in the multicam black as well as all black. And you just saw the FDE option. Pretty sweet setup, great price. Support your local business.